Today we're going to be wrapping my car in this fake carbon fiber. I do not know how to use this gimbal, bear with me. We already got this piece done, but that's what it looks like compared to real carbon fiber. Obviously the real carbon fiber looks 10 times better. In this lighting, the real carbon fiber looks kind of warm versus this one. It's just a little, like, I don't know. It looks really fucking good though. But we're going to be doing like the whole front half like this. And then we're going to be keeping up this chrome purple scheme. So we'll be doing like a jagged little theme type thing, you know what I mean? Now I did already wash in clay bar this entire area. I do have paint chips and everything. We're all smooth. These are chips in the paint. There's gonna be a little bit of a texture showing underneath, but that's okay. We're all a little damp from heating it a bit. It ain't going anywhere. This stuff is like magic, you guys. The reason I'm using this rather than just straight cutting it is because by using this, we're gonna have the opportunity to put the purple on it and the forged wrap at the same time to get it perfectly even. I think that's a good idea too. This is going to be kind of a bitch. I could just take this out, but that's too much work, so we're just going to be tucking it as much as we can. Now I'm going to slice, I'm going to just eyeball it. I'm going to just slice a big enough piece for each corner of the bumper for the forged one that's underneath it. Hopefully that 3M tape stays. That is going to be my biggest issue throughout all of this. I don't know if you guys can notice, but at some angles we have a burn mark. Not that big of a deal. At certain angles it's gone anyway. Plus you could polish the chrome, which I'll probably end up doing anyway to hide that. It's pretty freaking shiny. We're almost done. We're gonna be tucking, pulling it out. Cut all along the sides to get rid of a lot of that tension. So we got both purple sides on, the knifeless tape, slicing through it yet. It looks uneven, so we're gonna be putting all of this forged wrap all over the white now. Just a little bit, smooth it a bit. I'm still gonna run a front plate eventually. So I believe these are just like a 10 mil. Yeah. Tapping this is gonna be fun. I also have some PPF right here I have to remove. I don't want to pop off my door handle entirely, so I'm gonna do a slice that goes around all of this because I don't feel like taking apart my door handle. Of them being easy. Pretty dang even. There's a crease in the door anyway. So as you see, it gets more even the higher you go up. Add a patch piece here. And the rest of that forged black. Here it is, guys. The whole wrap. So we have purple half wrap on the rear, forged carbon black with regular carbon fiber, real carbon fiber up front. That design finish. Now I know we did a lot of it off camera, and that's because it is kind of boring, and I am honestly not the best at vinyl wrapping yet. This is a pretty custom project of mine, and I am not entirely confident with my ability of showing you guys how to do it. So, for example, I went the quick route and I did not take apart my trunk before I vinyl wrapped it. So if we get up close, you'll see that this is patchwork around it because I could not do it without taking off the emblem piece entirely. And we're getting rid of this wing soon. We're moving to the duckbill life. It's looking pretty damn good. I also didn't end up taking the door apart, so these were patchworks around it. I made it look really, really good though, so you can't even tell that I patchworked around it. It's something about the Ford where you can hide it really, really well. Giant fender gap. Beautiful sunrise, beautiful car. We did paint these louvers black with purple drips on it. Previously they were white with purple drips because I had white wheels and a white car up front. Now I have a black car up front, chrome wheels, black and purple louvers. Still waiting on these ones to be finished, but I think they look pretty damn good. No more white decal. This will be version 1 of my Honda Civic, complete with a few touch-ups coming soon. It looks really, really damn good from the side. Let's check it out up front. It looks great at this angle. Let me get that zoom in. Quick fitment check too. Solid. Hi guys. We got a really big duckbill coming. I'm excited.